Hey guys, welcome back to Typical Indian Consumer. It feels amazing when your watch contains a custom watch face of yours or any of your custom images, isn't it? So this video is regarding the same. If you have any of the Huawei Watch GT2 series, whether it's Huawei Watch GT2 or GT2E, you can apply your custom watch face on this watch by following the following steps. So without any further delay, let's get started. So if I want to set the custom face, so for that I just need to go to the Huawei Health application which is installed in my Android phone. So from this device I need to go to the devices. Here comes the option devices at the bottom. I will select this and then I will click on my Huawei Watch GT2E, the my watch which is coming over here. Then I can see there is an option for watch faces. Then I'll click on more. Whenever I click on more, there are two options. One is recommended and another one is mine. So I need to go to the mine. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe our channel or like this video. In the mine watch faces, these are the watch faces which I have installed right now on my Huawei Watch GT2E or any of the Huawei Watch GT2 series. So I need to go to the gallery option and I can see there is an option for plus icon. So I will click on plus. It will start two options whether I want to have the picture through my camera or my gallery. So I will select gallery over here. This will open my gallery and so that I can select any of the image which I want to apply on it. Right now it will show the area of watch face which will contain the image which I have selected. So I can zoom in or zoom out as according to my preferences. So right now I have zoomed out this image and I have selected it. So there are multiple options for selecting the style too. Right now the style is coming this way, so I'll go to the style. Background as selected as image, so I can do as you can see it's coming in the black color, or whether I need to select the yellow, green or the blue one. So right now I am selecting the black as this is right now visible very good on this bright image. I'll go to the layout. It will help me to allow whether I want to see the time on the top or the bottom. So right now I have selected on the top. I'll click on save. As you can see, this is going to be fetching by my watch. So right now my watch face is containing the custom image, and this way you can also set the custom watch face on your Huawei Watch GT2 series. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.